What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This guide will walk you through the process of deleting your Remitly account quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to close your account for personal reasons or due to switching services, this tutorial will provide you with clear, actionable steps to complete the deletion. First, locate the Remitly app on your device and tap to open it. Make sure that your account is logged in. Once logged in, locate the Manage tab, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. While we are in the Manage tab, locate the Profile tab and tap on it. While you are in the Profile tab, scroll down until you find Close My Profile button. After you locate the Close My Profile button, tap on it. The pop-up notification appears where it says, "We're sorry to see you go." Make sure that you read the terms and conditions carefully before deleting your account in Remitly to make sure that you have no regrets about deleting your account. After reading the terms and conditions, tap the box to check the box. After checking the box, tap the Close My Profile button. The notification appears that says your profile is now closed, and by following the steps, you can easily delete your Remitly account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.